to find quadratic equations. In this video, we can use 5 different methods. 1. Quadratic formula and the discriminant. 2. Completing the square. 3. Square root property. 4. Factoring. And 5. Graphing. In this video, we will be using completing the squares to find the answer. One of these examples include x squared minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. The first step is to move the 3 to the other side by minusing 3. Remember, on the top right is the formula that we will be using throughout the entire video. In the formula, a represents x and b represents 2. If we look at the middle part of the equation, we can see it is very similar to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So what we must do is make sure that the numbers match up. So as you see right here, the 2 matches up with the 2 on the top right formula. The x matches with the a on the top right, and the 2 here matches with b. We then need to add 2 squared to both sides because of the b squared on the top right equation. We can then factor the equation on the left side of the equal sign, which gives us x minus 2 squared equals 1. Then, once we square root the x minus 2 squared equals 1, we'll get x minus 2 equals 1 or x minus 2 equals negative 1, which is similar to the equation a minus b squared and a plus b squared. This will give us answers of x equals 3 or x equals 1. For a more difficult problem, we can do 2x squared minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. One of the only differences being that there is a 2 at the front of x squared. Like usual, we would minus the minus 3 to the other side, which gives us 2x squared minus 5x equals negative 3. We will be using the top right equation again in this formula. First, we divide the 2, which gives us x squared minus 5 halves x equals negative 3 halves. And then we have to make the 2ab into the equation that we have right here. X squared minus 2 times x times 5 fourths equals negative 3 halves is similar to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now we plus 5 fourths squared to each side so that we cancel it out. And then we use the formula. Once we square root the x minus 5 fourths, we will get x minus 5 fourths equals 1 fourth or x minus 5 fourths equals negative 1 fourth, which gives us answers of x equals 3 halves or x equals 1. Thank you for watching my video.